When you purchase the book for the first time, you receive a temporary password to access the platform. If you prefer, you can replace that temporary password with a personal one. To do this, open Login/Register, log out, and select Forgot Password. Then enter the email address you used to register and submit the recovery request. Shortly after, you will receive an email with a link to create a new password. Open the link labeled Password Reset to begin the password reset process. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save it to complete the process. Once it has been updated, go back to Login/Register and log in with your email and new password. Then open the book you purchased and click Read to begin. In the upper right corner, you will find the Notes icon, which allows you to write personal notes while reading. Simply type your note, save it, and it will remain stored in the book. All notes you create will be organized according to the page or chapter where they were added. You can also mark pages or important sections as favorites, so you can return to them quickly. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the search icon, which lets you look for specific words or terms within the book. If you select a word or a phrase, you can highlight it to identify it more easily later. You can also add notes directly to a selected word or passage. When you do this, a small note icon will appear above the text to show that an annotation was added there. You can also search any selected term directly in Google. In the same way, you can search Wikipedia to expand the information immediately. If you prefer, you can also activate text-to-speech for a word, a section, or part of a chapter. Another useful option is the ability to copy and paste words or phrases anywhere you need. Finally, in the notebook, you can review all of your activity in one organized place. There, you will find your notes, bookmarks, highlights, and other reading activity. The system also shows you exactly where in the book each action was made. This makes it easy to return to important sections and continue your reading in an organized way. On the left-hand side, you can see all the sections organized in the table of contents. By clicking on any section, you can go directly to that part of the chapter. At the bottom, you will find Next with a right arrow and Previous with a left arrow. These options allow you to move forward to the next page or return to the previous one. You can also go into settings to change different display options. The Use Layout option shows the book exactly as it was originally designed. If you turn it off, the content will appear in a different format. You can also activate full screen for a more comfortable reading experience. In addition, you can choose between single page and double page view and switch between them with just one click. You can also select different page animations, hardcover with flap, card flip, slide, stack, and fade. The interface language can also be changed to whichever language you prefer. All of these settings will be saved for the next time you return to the chapter. This concludes the tutorial, and we hope it helps you navigate your Kotobee case more easily.